Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful day, super sunny, super sunny. It's harvest season here in the village. I think everywhere in the country it's harvest season. They say El Nino might experience El Nino, so people are busy harvesting. So here in our village we mostly do corn, maize, and also what is it called, beans. That's what mostly people plant in the village. So for us here, we want to harvest our corn, which is maize. We call it maize here in Kenya. We want to harvest the small maize that we had planted there at the gate. Last time I harvested a little bit because I wanted to eat some young corn, young maize, the soft ones. Right now probably it's a bit dry, but still we want to harvest the remaining one before the rains come, because who knows, the weather is good for harvesting. So let me go show you guys what's going on. Let's go guys. These are our corn. It's a bit dry but still good for cooking. Guys, this is how you do it. They dry up so fast, but the weather has been nice. Hako ni kayang. Kautikong. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, this is my pumpkin patch. It's been drying up. It's been very dry, but it tried. It has a lot of pumpkins, as you can see. There's a lot of them, tiny ones, big ones. All this, like this one is done. I want to eat this one for tonight for dinner. I have missed this one. I have really missed pumpkin soup. I just want to eat this one tonight. You see, even this one is dry. It means this thing is done. I had put a carrier bag on top to avoid the chickens from eating it, because they ate like 5 of my pumpkins when they were small. All these papers you see, even that one is a pumpkin. There's others here hiding. If you can see nicely, there are 2 hiding there. There's another one there in the paper bag. There's a lot of pumpkins. I think I have more than 10 pumpkins. But tonight, this is gonna be dinner. Dinner. Oh my goodness. This one we can't even finish. Probably we'll eat half of it, and then the other half we'll keep it in the fridge. But yeah, very nice when you can have your own food. This pumpkin is huge. It goes all the way there, and you see how dusty it is because we are near a road. After this wall is a road. See, even those banana leaves, they're super dusty. Even our trees, it's been dry, crazy dry, you see. So everything is dusty, very dusty. Yeah, but at least it tried. It went all the way there, and it has given us probably more than 10 pumpkins. I'm gonna enjoy for the rest of the year some good pumpkins. Let's go. My pumpkin. It's a nice afternoon. It's very sunny actually. This weather nowadays is super weird. One day it's sunny, one day it's super cold in the morning. It's crazy, but I have my pumpkin here. This is for dinner. Dinner. Oof. I'm gonna make some pumpkin soup with some rice and beef on the side. Let's hope it's yellow inside. If it's not, we are doomed.
I hope it is.
It could have been more yellow, but
That's good yellow.
that's good enough. But it still needs maybe like 2 weeks. But you know the thing with pumpkins, you can even put it in the storage and they continue ripening. Smells good. I'll save the seeds. I always save the seeds that I haven't cut. You see, these ones I've cut. These ones you can't plant because it's already cut into half. But the good a whole seed like this one, you just dry it in the sun for like a week, and then for the next season you plant them. Me, I just throw them in the shamba after they're dry and they just grow. Even I have another pumpkin over there, but it's not yet ready. They haven't started producing, but you see, it has some really big seeds. These things, they're huge and they're healthy. You can actually roast them and eat them, but for me, I like the pumpkin itself. But yeah. This is the maize that we got. It's quite a lot actually. I wasn't expecting. This one, the bugs got to it, but it's still okay. But this is quite a lot actually. This is quite a lot. Look, these ones. For just that small space. This tells you should utilize your spaces. If you have a small piece of land, plant something. Plant something. It feels so good when you eat your own. So that's what we got. Guys, ilikuwa huko nje. Guys, so this is the corn that we got. I put them here on top because I want them to sun dry. We sun dry our corn, and then you can remove them from the cob. Is it the cob? The maize from the cob. Once they are dry, and then you can take them to the posho mill and you can get yourself flour. We call it maize flour. This is the #1 food in Kenya. It makes ugali. Ugali is like fufu, but not really fufu, but we call it ugali. It's in East Africa, we call it ugali. We use the maize for the flour. So that's why I've put it here to sun dry, and then yeah, we'll take it to the posho mill and get ourselves some nice maize flour. Guys, this is our firewood. I want them to be kept here because we have a shed there and it's better just in case it rains. We have some, firewood for when we boil our things. So that's what's going on, especially the bigger ones. I also saw these ones are poles. These ones are good, and this is a good ladder. We use this ladder, and those poles, they are good. Those ones we don't burn them, but these ones, the small ones, very good for firewood. Plus these ones, they are so dry, super dry, because it's been crazy hot, and we have a bunch of firewood over here also. We like keeping firewood just in case when you need it, Plus, being in the village, it's always good to have your own firewood just for boiling.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. Some kind of butterfly. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Guys, it's been quite a day. The sun is still hot, guys. Yeah, I've done my chores. I think now all I need to do is take a good shower, take my dinner, and we'll see each other on our next vlogs. Bye bye for now.